MobiKin is a popular free Android backup tool, but it has limits, especially without root access. If you're looking for more reliable or flexible options, this video covers 7 MobiKin alternatives for different backup needs. Top 1. Best MobiKin alternative: MobiKin Android Backup and Restore. Effortlessly safeguarding your entire Android device, including apps, data, and multimedia files, is a streamlined process with MobiKin Backup Manager for Android. After installing and launching the software, connect your Android phone via USB and enable USB debugging if prompted. Once detected, choose Backup on the main interface from the Backup and Restore window to begin a smooth, worry-free data backup. Top 2. Titanium Backup. Long considered a powerhouse for rooted devices, Titanium Backup grants unparalleled control over every installed application and its associated data. Automated schedules and cloud storage integration allow for truly hands-free preservation of your digital environment. Top 3. Seedvault. As a built-in solution for newer Android versions, Seedvault provides a seamless, system-level option for backing up app data and settings. Configuration is minimal, often working quietly in the background to secure your information. Top 4. MoboPlay. Focusing on media management, MoboPlay excels at transferring and backing up photos, videos, and music between your device and computer. The process is drag and drop simple, creating mirrored folders without requiring technical knowledge. Top 5. Swift Backup. Combining robust functionality with a modern design, Swift Backup supports both rooted and non-rooted devices for broad appeal. Backups can be automated and sent to cloud services or local storage, offering flexible and reliable protection. Top 6. DataBackup. Specializing in simplicity, DataBackup focuses on backing up contacts, messages, call logs, and calendar events with minimal steps. Its lightweight design ensures the process is quick and unobtrusive, preserving essential personal data. Top 7. SyncDroid. Acting as a versatile bridge between your Android device and computer, SyncDroid manages not only backups but also installations and file transfers. Scheduled tasks can handle your data automatically, ensuring consistency without manual intervention.